Hello again, Jeevan here. This is a tutorial about turning diffuse lighting into a key light. So essentially a sky replacement, but also how to light something using the light cues off the plate or the sky replacement itself. This is a continuation of the previous tutorials in which we use Liquify to insert new reflections into the window and match something that was similar to this. This is more distorted, but we did something similar to that. And now we're going to use this guy here and bring this into the background here. Right now, we have very soft lighting over everything. And to key light everything, it requires basically shading all of these elements and then painting back in some dappled light, which would come through from the clouds. So on this image itself, we can see what some cloud shadows would look like to fall on the buildings, and we can take the cues off this image itself and see that the lighting is basically. If I draw a little image, if I grab some yellow, the light is looking like this here. So this here is what our light source pretty much looks like. And we can see the shadows that it's casting on the surface itself. I'm just gonna put sunlight and try and reproduce that on this image itself, which means drawing all the shadows and shading of everything here. So we'll go ahead and do that. This tutorial will probably be sped up on the parts that are repetitive, and just to get the basic idea of the principles, how to check values, how to paint in shadow, occlusion, bounce light, and so forth.